Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to recover deleted contacts on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, it is common to accidentally delete contacts, and knowing how to recover them ensures you don't lose important phone numbers, email addresses, and other contact details. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. The thing to note is that you have previously exported your contacts to a VCF file. So if your contact list disappears, you can import it back. Alternatively, you can also import contacts from your Google account if you have backed up your contacts there. Okay, here's how. Please open the Contacts app on your device, and then click on the settings in the top right corner. Next, select the Import or Export Contact option. After that, you can choose either from your Google account where you have backed up your contacts or from a VCF file. Here I will select storage and then choose where you want to import your contacts. I will choose phone contacts. And then select the VCF file that's already there. Finally, wait for the process to complete. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to recover deleted contacts on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.